Hello, I am Zero to Webmaster founder Dr. Kerry Krieger, and I'm going to show you how to set up a redirect. Why would you need a redirect? Well, let's clarify. This is a redirect for a site, for a domain. So say you have yourolddomain.com and you want it so that if someone goes to yourolddomain.com, they get automatically redirected to yournewdomain.com. That's what we're going to do. And this is for domains that are registered with Cloudflare. So right here, I have a domain, ancientkingdom.art. I do not need it. I bought a better domain name, or one that I prefer, so it's not going to get used. It's eventually going to expire. Let's use that as our example. We're just going to click it. Come over here to Rules in the left sidebar. And right here, redirect to a new URL. We're going to set up a redirect rule. Create a rule, and the rule name is redirect to the new site. All right, that's the new site. If incoming requests match all incoming requests, apply the rule to all requests. Then URL redirect static from /contacts. I'm not sure why that is there. I'm just going to leave it. Let's see. Redirect. I'm going to say, I'm going to assume that's where it's going to. Okay, if anyone goes to the old site, then send them to the new site. And leave it at 301. Deploy. And let's see if it works. Okay, how are we going to do this? We're going to go to this URL. All right, it won't let me copy. I'm just going to come over here, ancientkingdom.art, click it and see what happens. And it worked. That was easy. You're the first person to see, or whoever watches this first to see this brand new site of mine, luminous.art. That's it. I am Zero to Webmaster founder, Dr. Kerry Krieger. Good luck with your redirections.